Testimonials. Testimony of Willy following the diving course in May 2014. Dear divers, back from my stay in Corsica, May 4 to 8, 2014. I can only be delighted by this getaway on the island of beauty where we discovered magnificent seabeds and superb sunny views of the golf course, Ajaccio. Also, I think we will all remember this Wednesday morning outing when we were greeted at the dive site by the dolphins. We were all standing on the boat and all speechless. It is to say the magic of this moment. Of course, each of the participants of this trip left with their own memories. But you should know that this excursion could not have taken place without its organizers, Christophe, Lasfarge and Olivier Durand. So a big thanks to them for the time spent remotely organizing this trip and the patience they had to sort out the last-minute details. And yes, there are some as a souvenir. The group of this outing was there to prepare to pass a level or simply for the pleasure of lazing around. Personally, at the end of this day, Christophe and Olivier validated the practical Level 2 exam that I was preparing for me, and therefore remains the theory to be continued. If the end of the stay ended with such encouraging results, it is because behind the two instructors of this excursion, who gave us their advice, their knowledge and their training, or with them, within the Club Failure 95, all a competent team who put their time, their skills and their energies so that we, the members, can evolve within this hobby which is diving. I cannot name each instructor or each member of the club office in order to avoid forgetting, but for my part, one would like to warmly thank the Level 2 trainers that I was preparing, Sylvie and Daniel, as well as Mark for the Wednesday swim, and therefore more generally a big thanks to all without exception.